Yeah, today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be using a headlight restoration kit to restore our yellow headlights. The kit comes with 60 grit to a 10,000 grit sandpaper, and we'll be using our Black & Decker little cordless drill to do it. So let's get started. Yeah, before we get started polishing up our headlights here, we're going to be using 1000 grit and our little sanding disc for our Black & Decker drill. And then we'll start sanding and polishing. That's coming up next. Yeah, we're using our little Black & Decker 8-volt lithium drill. It's a powerful little bugger, but it's easy to maneuver around on these headlights. You may not get any flat spots, which that would be bad. Yeah, and make sure you tape up your paint so you don't scratch it up with your buffing pads and all that. That makes sense. Yeah, we're using 1000 grit sandpaper here just to get the rough material off. Get down to some good material. Yeah, now we're using 1500. Seems to be doing good. Starting to polish it up a little bit. Looking better. Yeah, now we're using 2000 grit. It's starting to smooth out really nicely. Looking a lot better. A lot cleaner. Just continue going back and forth.
Gotta have something to do once in a while.
Okay, we're going to finish up polishing using 5000 grit sandpaper, and then we're going to go to 10, and then we're going to polish it with NOVUS Clean Shine Protectant. Good stuff. So let's get started. Looks pretty good. Now all we got to do is the 10,000. Okay, we're going to be finishing with 10 now. Okay, now we're going to polish them up, and I'll bring you back when we start that.
Alright, now I'm wiping off the residual water. And we're going to let this dry nice naturally for 5 or 10 minutes. Then we're going to use the NOVUS finish coat. Then we'll be done.
Yeah, now we're going to use the NOVUS Clean and Shine to protect the lens, hopefully. So let's get started. And there you go. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Nice and clear, no more yellow. And I'll give you a shot of both of them later on here. Well, there you have it, guys. Two nicely done, polished up headlights. And they look a lot better than they did. And you use your sanding disc from like 1,000 all the way to 10,000 if you want. That's what we did. And actually you use the polish at the end and buff it up. Everything looks nice. They look a lot better. And there you have it. I'll see you on the next one.
I'm really happy. I'll be able to see. I gotta go out when it's dark now. Right.